and erasers also in your compass box. Today is first day of making notes, so I am introducing you all these methods so that when we are doing, you know what exactly is expected from you.
Ma'am, your video is
We are going to use, can you all hear me?
yes, ma'am.
So we are going to use these methods. We are going to use these methods of writing notes. We are going to use these methods. Whatever geo you make, whatever mind map you make, we are going to make it with pencil and not with pen, so that our work is presentable. It looks nice. Should we start writing notes for chemistry then?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, somebody left.
Today's day.
Oh, we lost Shubhan.
We'll be back, don't worry. Shubhan will be back, don't worry.
There's no one.
So make a box here. Make a box here. On the first line, make a big box, a long box like this, rectangular box with your pencil.
Oh, no.
So suppose this pink color is my pencil, okay? Pink color is my pencil. I will make, with pencil, I will make this box, rectangular box.
He's writing. I could even hear him talking.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can't see you.
We can't hear you, ma'am. Your screen is black. You need gone. Oh,
Hi,
that's it.
Vihan.
Hi, Vihan.
Oh, goodness, not.
Yeah. Shubhan is, yeah, he lost the connection. Okay. You make a box and here you will write. Everyone made a box?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I made it.
And you made, here you will write notable chemist or scientist. Notable. You will write here notable, N-O-T-A-B-L-E. Notable scientist, S-C-I-E-N-T-I-S-S. You will write notable scientist.
I can't see it clearly.
Oh, no.
That scientist word.
Today will be a little difficult for you all to understand, but this is how we are going to make notes. So notable scientists. Who all were notable scientists? On first line, you will with pencil you do like this. Name one.
Ma'am,
Albert. Ma'am,
I can't see ma'am that scientist word. Einstein scientist.
Yeah, I think next time I wanted to show it on the board. That's why I didn't make PPT. Next time I should do it. So that you all
Yeah,
understand.
I can see it now.
Scientist. So name the scientist. Scientist, first scientist was, and the first scientist that we saw was Antone Lavoisier.
Ma'am,
Can you see the board?
Ma'am, Einstein.
The ones which we read in our book. The second one was Henry H. Henry Cavendish. 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 The third we saw was
Ma'am, C-A or C-O it is.
John Cavendish. John
Einstein.
Dalton. Dalton.
Ma'am, Einstein.
We are talking about the chapter that we read and how many scientists have been mentioned in a chapter that we are writing. Einstein was a scientist, but now we are writing notes for the chapter that we have done. So we will stick to the chapter and do it. The next one was Louis L-O-U-I-S. Louis Pasteur. P-A-S-T-E-U-R. Louis Pasteur.
Ma'am, what?
Louis Pasteur. L-O-U-I-S. Louis Pasteur. P-A-S-T-E-U-R. Again with pencil you make an arrow for the second last.
Dimitri Mendeleev.
Yeah, Dimitri. D-M-I-T-R-I. Dimitri Mendeleev.
G or D, ma'am?
Okay, I will write these spellings on the clipboard, on the screen. You can copy them, but this is how you will write. Have you understood how to write? With arrows,
Yes,
arrows,
ma'am.
arrows, and arrows.
I'm
Okay.
I have done writing.
Finish writing.
Yes.
No, I have just want to write last word.
My last is Hargobind Khurana.
Yes. Can you all see the clipboard?
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Children.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, so I will text the name now.
Yes,
But you
ma'am.
have to put arrow and I will
Yes,
just
ma'am.
write spellings here if you want. You wanted me to write spelling of
What?
Dimitri Mendeleev.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the spelling. Is that fine? And the last one again make an arrow, and last one which is mentioned in the book. He was not the last scientist, but the scientist that has been mentioned, he was from India and his name was
Hargobind Khurana.
Hargobind
Khurana.
So what you did? You made a rectangle up. You wrote notable scientist. We are writing notes for this chapter. So we are going to stick to only the scientist which has been mentioned in this. There were many other scientists, but we will mention this because their work has been mentioned here. It has been shown here. So we are going to write only this. Now, in this, the other half, I am going to make this.
जी हाँ.
We will take each scientist. We will take each scientist and we will see what is their work. Okay, we will take each scientist and we will see what is their work. First scientist.
Ma'am, your sound started breaking.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking a lot.
Ma'am, you
We
are now.
can't hear you also.
Ma'am, I
And we
can't
can't
hear
see
your voice.
you. We can't
Ma'am,
see you
your,
also.
ma'am,
Your
your
screen
video
is
is.
blank.
What you have?
Yes, ma'am, your video is gone.
Yes, ma'am.
Your
Very
video.
black.
Kids, teacher knows her video is gone. You don't have to tell it so many times. Okay? She's going to join back as soon as the network is in. Okay? Just have a little patience and wait. She'll be back. Okay? All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes,
Ma'am,
children.
it's yes.
I just moved the place so that you all can see the board, but then it got disconnected. Now we are going to write the discoveries, the invention of first scientist. Which was the first scientist that I mentioned in the list?
I'm doing
You are right, Jihan. You are right. So you will write his name in the center of your page. Everyone write his name in the center of the page.
Ma'am, on in the center of your page. And
You can write a new page because he made many inventions. So you can write on a new page. But in the center of the page, you have to write. And make a cloud around it. And make a cloud around him. Make a cloud around him.
Ma'am, we are drawing geo.
We are writing chemistry note in a creative way. We are making geo form of it. That means you can learn at a glance. You can learn at a glance. So yes, coming back, what were his discoveries and inventions? Anyone? First, he discovered that air is a mixture. So you make one arrow. He was the one who said air is a mixture. mixture. And make another cloud around it.
Ma'am, what you have written that?
Air
First.
is a mixture.
Air is a mixture.
Yes, he founded that. He came up with this discovery. He said that air is a mixture of gases. There are so many gases in air. So you write here, air is a mixture, and make another cloud around it. Then he was the one who isolated nitrogen and oxygen. Isolated nitrogen and oxygen. And make cloud around this point.
Why?
isolated nitrogen and oxygen. Done?
No.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Then he came up with naming method of nomenclature and how do we name an element? So it said method of nomenclature. Write with me. Clature. C-L-A-T-U-R-E.
ma'am,
Nomenclature. Nomenclature. Nomenclature.
Ma'am, what is that? M-E or C?
Last he gave us law of conservation.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, what is after M? It is
he
E
gave
or
us law of
I'm not
nomenclature. N-O-M-C-L-A.
not that.
T-U-R-E.
From started from M. First word.
Method
Yes.
of
Okay.
methods of nomenclature.
ma'am, what is that fourth cloud?
Fourth cloud says law of conservation.
Law of conservation.
Conservation of mass.
Ma'am,
Of mass. Okay, in the fourth cloud you will write. I will give you what to write. I will write on the board so that you all can see it on the screen.
Ma'am, I want to write that third one.
Third one you want to write? Third one is in the first cloud you have written
I want to
air
write that
is a mixture of
nomen.
gases. So air is a mixture.
I
Second
have
point
written that.
you want third point.
Third. Yes, nomen. That.
He wrote methods. DS, methods of nomenclature. 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 T-U-R-E. Methods of nomenclature. And the fourth point is law. L-A-W. Law of conservation.
I already written.
Yeah,
I have also
of mass. Of mass. Don't forget to write that. Like this. Okay, now next time I'm going to make a geos for you on the screen. Today I didn't make so that you understand what we are going to write and how we are going to write. That's why I made
And
it on
write
the
one
board.
second point also there only.
Second point you have not written?
No.
Okay, I wrote second point is isolated
nitrogen and oxygen.
nitrogen. Very good. Who said that?
Ma'am,
Subhan.
Very good. Nitrogen and oxygen. Isolated nitrogen and oxygen. And the first point was air is a mixture of air is a mixture of gases.
One year phone is a mixture.
Sorry, yeah.
There is mixture.
Mixture of gases. So I wrote air is a mixture. Everyone,
I'm
take a
writing
break.
second one.
Yeah, we are done. And henceforth, I am going to give you notes on the screen like this. I will make PPT and I will show you so that you can copy. Today I showed you how it is expected, how I expect you to write notes. Use pencils and pen when you are writing. Make geos with pencils. Okay? All right. See you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, ma'am.